Alright, so it's, sorry for the cigarette. So it's, about 7:44 p.m. on Franklin Street in Seacliff, adjacent to Flint Cove. Seacliff is owned by the town of Oyster Bay. And, yeah, we got a little taste of what other people are getting in Cuba and everywhere else. Just a little test. New Orleans got hit with a lot of shit. And I was there once, right after Katrina. That place was devastating. But what freaking worked great was Six Flags, New Orleans. They still had a couple rides going. Oh shit. And Lex Luthor, that ride was freaking nuts. And a couple water rides, like you shoot people in a shirt. The girl I went down to visit was, what the hell's her name? Damn. I talked to her when I was in Oklahoma. I'm like, fuck yeah, I'll come visit you. Mark? I forget. I don't know. No, I might remember her name on the computer. I remember talking to her on the computer, like, when AOL just started. And, punters are coming out.